Hi guys, today I'm going to be your panda teacher. I disguise as a panda. So I hope you don't get bored. So today I am going to explain to you about the countable and uncountable nouns. So first, let's say first, so countable nouns. So countable nouns, like you can just count it, just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can like count like the coffee, one bottle of coffee and two bottles of coffee. This is a countable. And uncountable nouns, it means you cannot count. You cannot count. So like a virus, coronavirus, you cannot count. The air, no. Bread, rice, coffee, and money, you cannot count. So this is called uncountable nouns. Okay, let's go back to the countable nouns. Okay, for the countable nouns, you can say, when you say positive sentence, you can use it for the a or on for the singular, or some for the plural. And for example, like I have a cat, just one singular. Cat you can count. And I have some friends in Chia, and you can count it friends, yeah. And it is a plural, so that's why you can use some. And next, and for the negative, is use a or on for singular, and any, you should use any for the plural. So I don't have a dog, or I don't have a dog, and there aren't any seats in Transmillennial. Yeah. And next, again, uncountable nouns. Yeah, you cannot count, and and you use for some with positive, and any with negative. So on uncountable nouns, you don't use a or on. So for example, you can use some information in website. So information is not countable. So you don't put s or es either. And there is any coffee. Oh, sorry, there isn't. It should be isn't any coffee in his office. Sorry about that, for mistake. So here is a negative form. And next, so for the question form, for the countable nouns, so you can use a, earn, any, how many. So for example, there are any seats in this bus, and how many apples do you have? And do you have a dog? Like you, is a kind of difficult question. And question for the uncountable nouns, any, how much, and then you can say, is there any salt, and you can say how much apple juice is there. And then the last and then some, you can use some as well. And then when you use this one, when you're offering or asking for some get information, and you can ask, like, do you want some milk, or do you want some water? Yeah. And a lot or lots of, use the countable and uncountable. And here is the thing, there are a lot of people in the world. People you can count, and there is a lot of snow on the road. So here, snow you cannot count. So I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for listening, and